Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rowan, to all the people who don't know me, and today we're gonna talk about Instagram music feature. This feature, a lot of people told me that it doesn't work, and in my country it doesn't work either, which was so frustrating not be able to post songs. I don't even know why it's not available, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna tell you how to fix that, and actually you're gonna feel kind of dumb because that's what I felt when I knew how to do that. Yep, so all you want to do is go to the App Store or the Play Store, and then you want to download VPN, and do not click away. You still got to do something else, or unless you just won't appear. So all you're gonna do is download the VPN. You could download Turbo VPN or Master something VPN. I'm gonna put it right here or somewhere here. So basically after you download it, all you gotta do is open it and then connect to either India or United States. Just avoid connecting to Europe because Europe has some problems going on at the moment. Some features are getting removed because of something I will discuss later in another video. But yeah, just try to connecting to another country other than Europe and you'll be good to go. After you connect, all you want to do is go to your recent apps and then delete Instagram from the recent apps and then reopen it. And you should have it working like this, and if it doesn't pop up, then you'll have to go to your app store and delete it, then reinstall it, and that would probably fix it. But I only have a disclaimer that if you disconnect from the VPN, then the feature won't work, but it should work later on when you turn it back on. So, and we're basically done. I hope this video helped you, and as I said, I'm going to be doing an Instagram series, going from story ideas to growth hacks to rating more content to having a consistent grid and talking about new features because Instagram is going crazy lately. So if that actually interests you, hit the subscribe and see you in the next video.